Are you ready for this limited time offering? In case you didn't know, firealarm.com is able to provide you, yes, you, with a basic fire alarm system for your building, campus, or facility, all for the lowest price possible. What's going on, everyone? Stefan here from firealarm.com. Our low price system consists of the following components: 1 fire alarm control panel with central station monitoring, 8 smoke detectors, 2 manual pull stations, 2 heat detectors, and 4 smoke and carbon monoxide combo detectors. Today, firealarm.com is also offering you a leasing option, which allows you to pay for your fire alarm system every month for 36 months for an even more reduced price. That's including central station monitoring connection for 3 years. No one in the current market can provide you with this type of leasing option for a brand new fire alarm system. Act now! Firealarm.com can also install and integrate your camera surveillance security system into your fire alarm system in order to make your life easier and keep you in the know with all things regarding your fire alarm system. Included in this pricing is also 1 free semi-annual preventative maintenance, including all logbooks for your new system. Take a look at firealarm.com's comprehensive system installation and be on the lookout for numerous add-ons that continue to make your system, life, and facilities that much safer. Call us now at 888-497-0290 and speak to one of our engineers or sales representatives for a list of options and pricing. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future firealarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.